India's battle against COVID-19 continues. The central and state governments have been earnestly implementing the strategy of testing, tracking and treating, and India now has seen an unprecedented increase in daily tests conducted for COVID-19. In the last 24 hours, more than 11,72,000 samples were tested, taking the total number of tests to more than 4.5 crore so far. This scale has to be seen in context. Till January 30, India was conducting just 10 tests per day. Today, the daily average has exceeded 11 lakh tests, putting India just behind the United States in terms of number of tests conducted.
अब तक हमने देश में 4 करोड़ 50 लाख से अधिक टेस्ट कंडक्ट कर लिए हैं। विश्व में अब केवल एक ही देश है जिसने कि हमसे ज़्यादा क्यूमुलेटिव टेस्ट्स किए हैं। पिछले 24 घंटों में 11 लाख से ज़्यादा टेस्ट देश में किए गए। 11,72,000 टेस्ट पिछले 24 घंटे में हुए। ये अपने आप में एक रिकॉर्ड है।
There are currently 1,623 laboratories across the country, of which 1,022 are in the government sector and 601 in the private sector. There has also been a steady rise in the number of recoveries. The COVID recovery rate in the country is currently 77.09%. So far, over 29,70,000 people have recovered in the country. In the last 24 hours, 68,584 people have recovered. This is the highest number of recoveries in a single day. The number of active cases in the country is 8,15,000, which is about 21.16% of the total cases in the country. The number of people who have recovered from the virus is 3.6 times more than the number of people who carry an active infection. Per million population, India has just 2,792 COVID infections, which is among the lowest in the world. Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh and Tamil Nadu account for 62% of the total COVID cases in the country. The death rate of COVID-19 in India has come down to 1.75%.
5 राज्य हैं जहां देश के कुल कोविड से होने वाली मृत्यु का 70% मृत्यु होती है। महाराष्ट्र में देश की कुल मृत्यु का 37.39% हो रहा है। तमिलनाडु में 11.16, कर्नाटक में 8.83, दिल्ली में 6.65, आंध्र प्रदेश में 6.12.
There is also good news from these states as well. Statistics show that the number of active cases has been continuously declining. Of the total deaths due to COVID-19 across the country, 70% have been reported from Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Delhi and Tamil Nadu. In Delhi, the number of infections detected has been increasing in recent days, and the Health Ministry believes that Delhi could bring the situation under control if it followed the same protocols that had succeeded earlier.
दिल्ली में एक्टिव केसेस की संख्या के में बढ़ाव और मृत्यु की संख्या में बढ़ोतरी को देखते हुए केंद्र सरकार के गृह मंत्रालय के नेतृत्व में हम दिल्ली सरकार के साथ इंगेज कर रहे हैं। हमने संवाद उनसे किया है। क्या क्या गतिविधियां नहीं की जा सकती हैं उनके बारे में भी बात हुई है। माननीय उपराज्यपाल महोदय के स्तर पर भी हाल में ही एक बैठक हुई है।
While India is consolidating in the fight against the virus on these fronts, work on the vaccine, which will ultimately help achieve that herd immunity target, continues at an aggressive pace, with a committee of experts monitoring it.
It has engaged with the 5 major domestic producers of vaccine. It has also engaged with manufacturers of vaccine who are outside the country, and it is looking at various procurement and financing mechanisms. At this point in time, that is all we can share with you.
Government's graded response to the virus has factored in both lives and livelihoods. The phased unlockdown continues. Metro services across the country will also restart from the 7th, and the famed Delhi Metro is ready for the new normal. Government has adopted a two-pronged COVID management strategy. On the one hand, test, track and treat aggressively. On the other, enforce social distancing, masks and regular hand washing while unlocking economic activities. With inputs from Sudhakar Das, Newsnight Desk, DD India.